It's really hard to see that on the screen. I will get that. Okay, welcome to the clam. Now, and somehow I got to climb that. Jeez. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Amit. So, just trying to sort my headset out. I was on this last night. So just get device to show you have 2 keyboards. This is installed. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I've been watching people, man. I've climbed this death trap. They've just been jumping from here to there. Here from there. And I like that optimism. Okay. Here to there. Here to there. Okay, let's try this. Do it one shot, do it one shot, do it one shot. I can do it. Okay. One, two, three. Yes! No! No! Okay. So I can do it here. So there. And down. No. Okay, so I've got to go. They have to go together. So place it. And push it. Okay, let's see. Let's get the chat. I'll take it. I'm gonna do it. One step, 2 step, 3 step. Hoo! Yeah. Oh, jeez. Sugar. Yeah. Okay, that's. So, there. Doesn't it work here, but work like that. That's down. Yeah. Oh. I need to make it, okay. No! It shouldn't be that hard to go. So it should be a relaxing state of pushing. Now, if you're joining us, message. But no worries, guys. Thank you for staying tuned. If you are staying tuned, I can't really tell. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. No. How do... The bit of a checkpoint. Yes. I've done it. Yep. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna pause it right there. I'm so close to the TV. Guys, you've just seen that. That was just amazing. I've just survived. Okay, now. Okay. That's one back. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Yes. That's so good. Can't do that. Could you let go of my hand? There it is. Can't climb a tree. No. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Yes! No, I'm gonna do this. I've got confidence in myself. Okay. That's down. Step back a little bit. Let's push myself forward a little bit. There's the sofa. That's down. I can slowly bring it together. Yes! Yes! Okay, guys. Please, you haven't done it yet. Please smash that follow button. No. Here. I'm gonna get up here. Do. No. Yes. Come on, God! Deliver it! I'm stuck as like, yes. Okay. Let's have a breather, guys. Oh, I mean, guys, I mean me. I need a breather. I don't. Okay. This is the second time I've ever been up here. I fell last time. Oh no. Wait, is it? I'm not going to play this game for 4 hours and bring me back to start. I'm now scared. No. I'm gonna do it cause I'm at the door. Yeah. No. Oh no. Signals. Okay. Could I just not climb up here? Then. Okay. Still that was dangerous. That was a cactus. That's probably sting me like a signal. Okay. Sorry guys, if you are joining, I'm not even seeing the messages yet. I will always check the messages. Oh no! When I die, you know, cactus, come to my favour. Climb the cactus. Okay, no, down here. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this yet. It's got to be that way. Okay. Dropping outside the box. Okay. Yes. Come on. Yes! Yeah! Come on, Dinodaw. Let's beat this match. Okay, so I messed up last time. I went to the left side. No! checkpoint. Please? Checkpoint, checkpoint. What checkpoint? Okay, while I'm in a stationary place, I'm safe. Oh. Okay, no one went. Oh, glorious her! Actually got epic fails at screen. Hey, how am I meant to get up there? Wait, what am I talking about? I can jump it. Okay. If I get that, we'll go underneath. Hey, calm down, calm down. I'm not doing it yet. Hands together, don't control it up. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Okay, let's climb the barrel. You know what? There. I can do it. I can do it. No, I can't. No, I can't. Save myself. Okay, guys, I'm doing quite well at the moment. It really feels like there's no checkpoints. Oh, no. They're in praying for ungodliness. I've got a hammer, right? Odin! Give me the power fall and flight! That sounds so special. Hey, calm down. Calm down, soldier. Okay, let's go. Yes! Yes! God! Yes! Yes! Okay, let's go. I'm on the road town. On this town, I'm on a big road. On this town, I'm going to complete this game today. Roll! No! I might just put some YouTube called Fails. Old man screams. Oh no, need. There we go. Oh. Okay. Yes! The horses in your hand. I'm gonna pick this up in my hand. Go away. You know what? You became useless to me since you fell. Okay. Okay, guys, getting there. I am getting there. Please smash that like and follow button, and hopefully I can make it with you guys. No! Hey, calm down. To see you any more. Okay. Yeah. What? No, up here. No, up here. Okay, come on. Come on, suck up. My dignity. No, yeah. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, you sugary poops. You sugary poops. Okay. Okay. Hey, you 59. Welcome to the channel. Okay, okay, okay. Nope. Okay. Do me a favour there if you're still there, buddy. Smash that like button, and that might give me some luck. But I need it, buddy. We can do this together, or we can do it alone. I'd rather do it with you. Let's work as a team. Get up there! Yes! No, yeah. Okay, you must have been smashing that like button. I don't care. I'm gonna believe you did. Oh, but I got it really fast. Okay. Yeah, there we go. I got to climb that. Jesus. Okay. I got to do this properly. Perfectionist. Okay, so down. Straight. Any more? Okay. No. Can I just like climb it? Hey, calm down. I'm getting there, guys. Please smash that like and follow button. It would mean the world to me. And if I even get up here while you're doing that, dude. Oh, there you go. I'm up. Yes. No, I'm not up yet. Okay. I got to try and control it so I don't get left. But I don't want to hit that wooden panel. This is the time you should be smashing that like button, guys. Smash it and smash it hard. Oh. There. Yeah, no. Whoa. Okay. I was right. I got to be careful of that. I got to get back a little bit. Stop touching your arm. It makes me feel really uneasy. Yeah, I got more left a little bit. And up! Yes! Okay, guys. Whatever you guys are doing right now, if you're doing anything, it's working. What are you? No. I want to answer the phone. Give me the phone box. I'm really hoping this is a checkpoint for this. Oh, no. Because it's really annoying because I'm sliding as well. Oh, sugar. Okay, I gotta think outside the box. Oh. Oh, no. So on the ledge. Oh, no. Hi. Maybe the phone box is just there to be really annoying. I get that. I'm quite annoying sometimes. Yes! Come on. Put my phone. Oh, thank God. Phone box to the rescue. No, come on. No. Up. No, just stop it. Oh, yeah. That. Okay, that. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm in a safe spot. Where am I? Ah. You messed it up. Oh, pal, welcome to... I missed someone. No! Okay. Wait, oh God, I thought I fell down. I was going to cry a little bit. Good. Yep. No, no, no. Why am I doing this? Why did I do this to myself? Oh, I need to get up. I need to get up. Oh, yes. My hand's trapped. I'm trapped. Oh, you jerk! Okay. Jesus. What do you want? See ya. Frick's sake. Guys, I was trying to read the messages and I got slaughtered. By... Okay, let's watch this. Let's work this out. Okay, my hands here. My hands here. Control yourself. Sorry, guys. That's the furthest I got. I'm just so butthurt. Okay. I really just want to make it now. And why is that telephone not a save point? It's always a save point in game. Resident Evil telephone. No. Okay. Let's just bring back space. I'm gonna go straight for it. I can do it, guys. Ah! Okay, we're getting there. I got so far, and my motion is. Oh. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm getting there. Okay. I'm gonna jump on the box a little bit. Come on. Let's push myself back a little bit. Come on, Boxy. Put down. Yeah. No. Control it. Ah. Yes. Okay, it's not as bad now. I'm. No anymore. Oh, hey, calm down. That's what it was. I went for that, didn't I? Oh, sugar. Don't go down. Oh, I'll make you taste sugar. I'll let you taste sugar. Just. Oh, suck it. Oh, there you go. Come on. Oh, no. Would I break? Oh, Jesus. Okay. It's just such a ledge. I gotta think about this. Oh, I can't get up here. It's annoying. Am I just too close to it? Okay. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I'm just overly thinking about what I gotta do, and just climb up here and fly myself up like a ninja. No, it won't work. I can see that. It's not going to work. Come down. Nope. Okay. No, I don't need this. No, 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 no. Okay. I really didn't want to do that. I just knocked that over. Go away! Maybe that's what it is. Maybe. Maybe there's no set path at all. Maybe my mind is the path. Shh. No! Oh. The idea's there. The idea's there. No one joined? Yeah. Okay. I'm getting the idea, guys. I'm just not executing the idea as much as I'd like. And now I've just lost my foot in the other parts of the knot. I'm making it harder for myself. It's not even ground, that's why I'm waddling everywhere. Oh, okay. I'm alive. Main thing. Breathe. Save me. I need to just hand over. There you go. Breathe anymore. No. I've got something to do. Okay. Okay, we're getting there, guys. Nope, nope. So there. There we go. You know what? That's just as good. No, no, no. Just as good. Oh, no, 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 no! Jesus. Okay.